Hi, Steve Clifford at Witten Brothers Mazda in Richmond, Virginia. And today I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough of some of the features on the new audio multimedia system on the 2026 Mazda CX-5. This has been a big change for Mazda, and there's a lot that goes into it. It takes a little bit of getting used to, but once you get used to it, it's a great system. But getting used to it has a pretty sharp learning curve. So I'm going to be doing a series of videos that walk through how to use these different features. And I'm going to start off with the easy one, just tuning the radio. So this is what the radio looks like on this car. It is massive, and you notice there's no knobs or dials, just a touch screen. So if you want to turn on the audio, hit that. You can
level compounded,
get more or less volume. You can hit the little button here. You can also hit the button on your steering wheel to turn the volume up and down. So that's the first thing, is just changing that. The next thing is, how do you tune a station? Well, if you want to scan through the stations, you hit that, and then you hit that. It'll tune to each station, it'll stay there for a few moments, and then move on to the next station that has a signal. That's a pretty slow way to do it. Hit this little button up here, this little drop-down arrow. Go to manual tuning. From there, you can just slide up to different stations, and if you want to fine-tune it, the little arrows on either side of the slide bar are going to let you narrow down what station you're looking for. You find a station you like, and you can hit a little star. I'll show you how the stars work in a bit. You can also hit this button that says Station List. Station List is going to show you all the stations that the radio can receive right now, and you can just direct tune to them by hitting the button. And if you hit your favorites, you can see which stations you've put the little star next to and tune that way. So that's just a quick rundown of at least tuning the radio. Now, let's say you want to go to XM. Hit Sirius XM. It'll turn that on. And again, you can do all sorts of stuff with that. Again, using the little drop-down arrow to browse the different types of things that you might want to get to. Now, I do want to comment on the button on the steering wheel, because the button on the steering wheel, the voice commands also work. However, you first have to set up your Google Assistant. This is why it's so important for your salesman or sales associate to go over the car with you and help you set that up. Without a Google Assistant, a lot of the features on this car just aren't going to work. Let me show you. We hit our button and we say, tune radio to FM 96.5. It's not going to do anything. It's just going to listen to me. But because I haven't set up my Google Assistant in this car, it's not going to do that. So you're going to have to manually tune it until you set up your Google Assistant. So that's just a quick walkthrough on some of the audio features. I am going to do other videos in the future on how to set up your Google Assistant and then what that is going to unlock for you. There's a pretty steep learning curve with this car, but once you get the hang of it, it's amazing. It's a great car and a great system. Just takes a little bit of learning, a little bit of patience, and getting through some of the things that you're just not used to. Once you're used to them, I promise you, you're going to love this car. I'm Steve Clifford. Thanks for watching.